Hey there! Looking to keep your mail up out of sight on your iPhone without actually deleting it? Whether you want a tidier home screen or just need a bit more privacy, I've got a simple solution for you. Let's dive right in and learn how to hide the Mail app without losing it. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down to find the option you need. Tap on Screen Time to access those settings. Then scroll down a bit more. Enable Content and Privacy Restrictions to get started. Now, tap on Allowed Apps and Features to see your options. Turn off the Mail app by toggling it off. After that, restart your iPhone to apply these changes. Once your phone is back up, follow these steps. Go back to your home screen. Here, you'll notice that the Mail app is no longer visible on your iPhone. By following these steps, you can easily hide the Mail app on your iPhone running iOS without actually deleting it. If you change your mind and want to bring it back, just check the app library or tweak the settings and you'll have it back in no time. And that's it! Hiding your Mail app is super easy and a great way to keep your space organized. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy organizing!